What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix Nvidia driver download error or how we can completely fix this app. So let me directly into a step. So first one, just go over here, search for the settings, and you have to go over here for the settings. Now from here in the settings, at the bottom left, tap on Windows Update. Now from here in the Windows Update, we have to scroll down. There is an option called Post Update, tap on this one. Or you can just click over here on the post update and you have to post the updates over here. So you can post the updates for 1 week or whatever you wanted to. You can set this up, and once the updates are completely posted over here, you just need to move to the next step. Next step is all about what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for advanced system settings, not advanced, just click on advanced system settings. You have to click on this one. Now from here navigate to view advanced system settings. Now from here navigate to the hardware, and right now from the hardware we have to click on the device installation settings. Click on this one and make sure that you change this one to no. You might be changing this one to no, which means it is asking a question: do you want to automatically download manufacturers apps and custom icons that are available for your devices? Just change into no, and you have to go for save the changes. Now once afterwards, what we need to do is we just need to update the links manually. So while you do this, you'll not be updating the links, won't, or any kind of apps will not be updating automatically. So just go over here in this particular link. So I'll be providing three links. One is for the updating the graphics card, another one is for downloading the Nvidia app, another one is for this particular driver for uninstalling. So the first one, you have to get into this. So go over here this link, type everything, like if you're on the GeoForce, select GeoForce, get every details over here, like 15 series. If you're on the 15 series, you have to get everything. Now from here over here, just get everything over here and go for Windows 11 and go for everything and go for start search. And right now when you go for the start search, what happens is if you find the GeoForce game ready driver, the version is 576.28. You have to download this and install it. That's what you have to try as the first step. And also afterwards, after downloading and installing, what we need to do is you just need to check. Next one is all about what we need to do is just go over here, search for the run command and press enter. This time we need to type appwiz.cpl. Just go over here. That's going to take you this. Now from here, if you find the Nvidia, not the Nvidia app, but if you find the Nvidia graphics card, so you'll be having instead of Nvidia GeoForce, you'll be finding the Nvidia app, because the Nvidia GeoForce is being right now replaced by Nvidia app. So don't get confused. So if you find the Nvidia GeoForce, right click on this one, go for uninstall it, and don't get confused, just uninstall it. Afterwards, just close this. Now go back to the link, and over here along with this side, I have already provided a link to the Nvidia app. We need to download the Nvidia app. After downloading the Nvidia app, you have to install the Nvidia app and you have to update it. So just use the Nvidia app over here. Just get into the Nvidia app like this. After installing, for me, I already have the Nvidia app, so that's why I'm skipping installation. So once you get into the app, what we need to do is just go over here. That will take you to this. Now from here, go to the graphics, or you can just get into the driver. Now we have an option to download. So make sure one thing, we have two options, either game ready driver for the gamers. Another one is we are having studio driver. So just get into the game ready driver and we have to download this. Now we need to install it. That's what we have to try, and make sure it is up to date. Next one, we need to use this particular link over here along with it. I'll be providing in the video description. That is display driver uninstaller for the download version. So you have to download this particular download version. So you can download this. Once it's successfully downloaded, we need to install it. So it is going to take a little bit of time. So over here, as you can see, it is going to get downloaded over here. So right now, if I check, it is downloading. Then we need to install this particular display driver uninstaller. We need to install it. So it is going to take a little bit of time. Then we need to install it. Now just get into this particular folder here. Over here, right click on this one and go over here for extract all. So go for extract and it will be extracted over here. So once it's successfully extracted, as you can see, just get into this particular folder, just go back and here we are having this one. So right click on this one, go for run as administrator and go for yes. So it will be installed on a device, and once it is installed, I'll just go for extract and just wait for it. Just go over here, right click on this one, or go for run as administrator and go for yes. Now it is going to take you to this. The first one, just go for OK, because the reason why I got an error is it is in the safe mode. So while doing this, before installing this particular one, after installing or whatever it means before extracting or whatever it is, just do a restart on a system, because while doing the restart we will be in the safe mode, but right now I'm not in the safe mode. So it says DDU has detected that you're not in the safe mode. So while doing a restart, you're in the safe mode. So once afterward, just go over here, click on this one, select GPU over here in the both, for both, and you have to select Nvidia, and there is an option called clean and restart. So just click on this one, and afterwards, most probably all these steps are done. You can just go back, and afterwards you'll not be having an error with the Nvidia driver download. So this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.